Hello, welcome to Microeconomics with Untitled. In this session, we are focusing on income and substitution effect. That is, the effect of a change in price on our consumer basket. So what is the difference between income and substitution effect? When a price of a good decreases, consumers tend to buy more of that good relative to the expensive good, and that we call the substitution effect. At the same time, a decrease in price of a good leads to an increase in real purchasing power. That is, you are able to buy more at the same income, and we call that the income effect. In this illustration, we are given two goods, that is, clothing on the y-axis and food on the x-axis. We are also given the budget line, RS. We are given the indifference curve, U1, and the consumer basket is at point A. We are given a question, and the question is, what is the effect of a decrease in the price of food on the consumer basket, given that food is a normal good? You will recall that when income increases, consumption of a normal good increases and that of an inferior good decreases. So a decrease in the price of food leads to an increase in the real purchasing power of food. This causes the budget line, RS, to rotate outwards to RT. Let us draw RT here. So our new indifference curve is now at U2 and is tangent to RT. And we can see that our consumer basket is now at point B and consumption of food is at F2. Let us draw this line here as well. Yes. So we can see that the initial consumption was OF1 and now it is increased by F1, F2. So it's increased by F1, F2. So let us now look at the substitution effect. As the price of food decreases, its consumption increases, but with the level of utility held constant. That is, it will still be at indifference curve U1. So we draw a budget line parallel to RT, but tangent to our indifference curve U1. And we can see that at U1, the consumer basket is now D, and the consumer is consuming F1E of food. So let us break it down. The consumer chooses basket D when it comes to the substitution effect, and he consumes OE of food. Remember again that the initial consumption is OF1. So we can see that F1E represent the substitution effect. Let's put it like that. And this is actually associated with a move from point A to point D. EF2 represents the income effect, and it's represented by a move from D to B. So the increase of consumption, of food consumption from OE to OF2 is the measure of the income effect, and it is positive, showing that food is a normal good. Please remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Let us now move to an inferior good. So a decrease in the price of food, it leads to a rotation of the budget line RS, rotating rotating to RT. Our new indifference curve, U2, is tangent to RT, and it's at, and our consumer basket is at point B. And at point B, our consumer now consumes F1, F2 of food. Remember again that the initial consumption of food is OF1. And when it comes to the substitution effect, remember that the utility is held constant, meaning that it will be on our indifference curve U1. And therefore we draw a budget line parallel to RT and tangent to U1. And our consumer basket is at point D. And at point D, our consumer consumes OE of food. So let us break it down into the substitution and income effect. The substitution effect is F1E. It is F1E. And this is associated with a move from A to D. And the income effect is EF2. And this is associated with a move from point D to point B. So in this case, food is an inferior good because the income effect is negative. And we can see the total effect is actually F1, F2. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you understand income and substitution effect. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your time.